Hi, today let's make crispy, tasty, and flavorful chicken tawa fry. It's very easy to make. First, take small pieces of chicken. Here I've taken chicken thighs because it is very, juicy and tender. Then I'm adding in some ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, turmeric powder. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. Here I've added in Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, and then I'm adding in some Kasoori methi and add lots of curry leaves because curry leaves takes this recipe to another level, the tasty flavor. And then add in some oil and give it a good mix. Here I've added in some coconut oil because again coconut oil gives a different tasty flavor to this chicken tawa fry. I forgot to add salt. I'm adding in salt. Check for the salt and let's marinate and keep it in fridge for like 10 minutes. If you don't have time to marinate, it's okay, you can just start cooking it. But trust me, this is a very quick and easy tawa fry. It will be done in 10 minutes. Now take a tawa and add in coconut oil. As I said, if you don't like coconut oil, you can choose the oil of your choice. And once the oil has heated up, add in the marinated chicken. One thing you need to note that please do not add any kind of water to this chicken because it is a dry chicken. That's the reason it's called tawa fry. As soon as you add water, then it becomes a gravy. So that's not our aim. We would want our chicken tawa fry to be dry and nice. So give it a good mix. See to that the chicken are evenly coated and spread the chicken over so that each and every pieces are evenly cooked, and give it a good toss so that the flavor is enhanced. Look at the chicken, look at the color. There is no any kind of artificial color, no artificial MSG, but look at the natural color. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. Just leave like 10 minutes. Just keep on stirring. The chicken will be ready. You can have it with dal, rice, or just if you want, if you have some guests coming in, you can serve it as a starter. You can have it with your rotis, chapatis, rumali rotis, naan, anything of your choice. Trust me, the ingredients are very easily available at home. The one which is easily we can pick up from the shelf, and then the chicken is done. Please note the chicken needs to be very small and neatly cut because the small pieces of chicken are will get cooked very easily and then the flavors soak up. Now the chicken has cooked very well, and I'm garnishing with coriander leaves. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, follow and share.